Hello friends, as you know, CAT is one of the most competitive exams at the master's level in India. Not only IIMs, many other top colleges also accept CAT score, for example IITs, FMS, NITI, IMT and many more. In total, there are about 150 plus colleges which accept CAT score. Not all of them can be considered top level. However, one thing that not many of us know is that CAT is also accepted at the global level. I can easily count 15 to 20 global B schools where my students have already got admission based on CAT instead of the more commonly known GMAT or GRE scores. So in this video, I'd like to share some of those B schools which accept CAT. Always remember that management is one of the last educations of our life. So MBA or Masters in Management should be done only and only from a top ranked B school. In case you are not able to get into a top ranked B school, try next year. Don't be in a hurry because it will do more harm to you than good if you get into an average or a low ranked B school. Okay friends, let's understand now how to figure out whether a global business school that you are applying to is really a top ranked B school or not. There is one ranking which is really very authentic. So I'll just quickly explain how to get to that ranking. So let's say in Google, you want to just search for world's best master level management colleges, right? Financial Times ranking. So let's quickly go to this ranking and see something about this ranking. Most of us expect that on the first rank, the best college that we'll see will be something like a Harvard or a Wharton from USA. But here is a big surprise. What we see is University of St. Gallen at Switzerland. And also if you look at a little below, you find a college HEC from France, London Business School from UK, ESSEC, which is essentially France based, has some campuses otherwhere, ESCP and so on. So therefore friends, what you need to understand is that at this level, Masters in Management is very different from MBA. What we call MBA in India, for example, what you get from an IIM is actually an internationally recognized MIM degree. Because if you go deeper into this ranking, you will also find India here. So you will find IIM Calcutta at the 17th position with its flagship course Postgraduate Program in Management. You will also find IIM Ahmedabad at the 21st position. All the IIMs that we are trying to get into, the global counterpart degree of them is not MBA but it is MIM. Now in this, whatever colleges you are seeing, for example, let's say you see a college which is ranked at probably, let's say 12th level, Schema Business School. Now normally if you look at this college, you might think that maybe it's not good, maybe it's an average B school, but when you look at that it is well ahead of IIM Calcutta which is at 17th level, that is how we can make a sense about the global level of this business school, and obviously we can immediately understand that this college is really good business school. So I'll strongly recommend that before you apply to any global business school, always check its ranking in Financial Times. If it is there in top 100, anywhere in top 100, it is definitely a very good business school. Another example, see IIM Bangalore is at the 44th rank and Neoma Business School is at 43rd rank. So you can understand getting into Neoma Business School is as prestigious or as competitive as getting into IIM Bangalore, and it will be equally good for your career in the long term as well. You can also sort this list by the country basis. So immediately you'll come to know the 5 colleges of India that are there. And as you see, IIM Indore is also at the 81st rank. So just imagine in this list, even if you can get into a college which is at 60th rank, it is better than studying at IIM Indore from a global business school perspective or a global ranking perspective. If you can get through CAT into these top 5 Indian B schools, fair enough. If you can get into some other 15-20 in this list through CAT, I would say that's also a very good deal for you. Friends, now I'll show you some of the business schools from that Financial Times ranking list where students have gone on basis of CAT, they've got the admit, are currently studying or have already graduated. One of these business schools is IMT Business School. It's a public university. It's located in Paris in France. Its annual fees is about 7,900 euros, which you can say about 6.25 lakh Indian rupees. It accepts CAT and is officially kept minimum CAT percentile at 60. It also of course takes GMAT, and the minimum GMAT it has kept at 600. So for us in India, we know that this may not be the right kind of a synchronization, but for a CAT taker it is a very good news, right? For example, if he gets somewhere around 80-85 percentile, he may not be able to get into an IIM, but using the same score, he can get into a college which may be ranked even ahead of some of the IIMs, right? So therefore, CAT is well accepted by this business school. I already have more than 20 students in last few years going to this business school to study. It definitely figures in the Financial Times overall ranking. Its ranking is 61st, which makes it ahead of IIM Indore, IIM Udaipur, and couple of other global business schools. As is expected, since it's in a top 100 list, so it has very high placements. One of the key USPs that I like to share about this business school before we move ahead is that it is ranked first French B school for the added value rank by Financial Times. Now, what is the added value rank? It is different from an overall rank. So basically, added value rank is something which takes into account the difference between cost of training and the salary level, which should matter a lot to us Indians, because we have to be smart and not burn a lot of cash just because we want to go into a 2 places higher ranked college. So over here, in just about 12.5 lakh rupees, I can get a degree which can give me a starting salary package of somewhere around 35 to 40 lakh rupees. So I'll say that is what is the meaning of added value rank by Financial Times. The second college I'll discuss and accepts CAT score officially is SKEMA Business School, again for its Master in Management program, which is part of Financial Times ranking. It is located in a city called Sophia Antipolis in France. It also has 7 other international campuses. Annual fees is about 14,000 euro, and the course is of 2 years. All the MIM courses are normally of 2 years. As per its website, it takes a minimum 67 percentile of CAT as an admission criteria. Of course, higher the CAT, more chances you have. It is at a 12th rank, so it is ahead of IIM Calcutta, ahead of IIM Ahmedabad, ahead of IIM Bangalore. So it may seem as a surprise to you, but then some students are smart enough to know this and accordingly make the career decisions in a smart way. As per the official website, their average placements are very high, somewhere around 47,000 euro, which is about 40 lakh Indian rupees. A USP of this college is that it's a very, very large business school, and also it has the coveted Triple Crown status. So what is Triple Crown? It is 3 accreditations. If you have AMBA, AA, CSB and EQUIS, then the B school is said to be a Triple Crown school. All over the world, there are just about 80-85 business schools which have this Triple Crown status. So on your resume, if you say that I have done MIM from a Triple Crown business school, it has a very, very different weight in a recruiter's mind of its own. Moving on to third college is Neoma Business School. Again, it is in France. It has 2 campuses in Rouen and Dream City. The fees is 13,500 euro. Though it does not say officially, but by experience, some of my CAT students have gone there. 60 to 65 percentile in CAT should make you eligible to apply. It does not mean you will be selected, because selection, as you know, in IIM, similarly here, is a different process. There is an interview, there are some letters to write, SOPs to write, but yes, you can apply with CAT score instead of GMAT. It is very well accepted in Neoma. Overall rank is 46. As I showed you, it's very close to IIM Bangalore, and of course, placements are as good as the previous 2 we have already talked about. A key point I'll say that by Financial Times ranks it at 45th, at the same time The Economist ranks it at 19th globally. So significantly ahead of many of the other B schools in Financial Times. Also, Neoma has the Triple Crown status, as I already explained the meaning of Triple Crown. Next, I'll quickly talk about Burgundy Business School. It is located in Dijon, France. Annual fees is 11,000 euros, a little bit cheaper compared to SKEMA and Neoma. It also accepts CAT officially. 60 percentile should make it enough to apply. Overall rank is 72nd, which is in top 100 Financial Times rankings, which by default is made out of 13,000 B schools. So don't look at 72nd as somewhere, as a rank which is lesser. Very high placements, which would naturally reflect in its high rank. Also, an interesting thing is that this college offers free of cost double degree. So you can do an MSc along with your MIM free of cost. And I would particularly suggest that there are 8 MScs, but MSc in Wine Management is one of the best MScs offered in this business school. and it is very popular because the school is located in a belt which is called the wine belt of the world, and hence it makes a lot of sense to have a dual degree specialization with you, MSc in wine management, along with a MIM degree that you will be taking over here. The next business school I'll talk about is EM Normandy, which is located in Le Havre, France, which is the top tip of France, very close to UK. Annual fees is 11,000 euro. Again, it accepts CAT about 60 percentile above. FT overall ranking is 74th, and again it has very good placements. Again, a key point about this is that it also offers double degree options, and EM Normandy has very good work study programs. So large number of students go for apprenticeship. So what is apprenticeship? That means that in second year you will be actually working in a company and only reporting in your campus for, let's say, 1 week in a month, and entire fees will be paid by the company where you are working, and also the company would be paying you a salary. So I would say that would be a dream come true, and EM Normandy has a strong principle believing in work study balance. In your second year you can definitely go for it. There are other top global B schools which accept CAT. The list is long and getting longer every day. One of the top ones are HEC Paris. Typically it will expect somewhere around 98-99 percentile in CAT. EM Lyon accepts CAT. Audencia, ESCP, SCAMA we have already talked about, EDHEC, Singapore Management University, and ESEC. Well friends, I hope you got somewhat idea what you can do with your CAT score, and let's just not limit it to Indian B schools that you apply. You can apply to global B schools also through them. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that I can keep on adding more and more such videos and sharing this information with you. You can contact me. I have few of my contact details given over here. Feel free to drop in a line, or you can also comment below this video. Take care, bye bye, make a very good and successful career.